Hi friends, beginners are lucky to learn AutoCAD. Today's Lisp tutorial share with you, we just draw a simple polyline and try to convert it into an equal segment. If we manually convert polyarc into segments, it's taking more time. Let's upload Lisp script routine and try it. We already copy this command, and we simply paste it in the command panel. Using this command, enter segment's value of length. It's not good working. We try it again. We want to equal segment. We want to check out this curve length value in the property panel, then open the calculator from the window. Total polyline curve length, and divided by in value, we need this value of segment's length. Divided by 25, now we have value 9.23576. We put this for the segment length. Enter this command and paste the value from the calculator. Now we are going to check dimensions of this individual segment length. It's approximately matching the both values. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.